Today, I'm spending a peaceful day in my garden. Let's learn English with simple gardening activities and daily actions. I put on my gardening gloves. I put on my gardening gloves. I roll up my sleeves. I roll up my sleeves. I fill the watering can. I fill the watering can. I carry my gardening tools outside. I carry my gardening tools outside. I sweep the garden path. I sweep the garden path. I dig small holes for new plants. I dig small holes for new plants. I plant seeds in the soil. I plant seeds in the soil. I cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. I cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. I trim the overgrown branches. I trim the overgrown branches. I check the plants for insects. I check the plants for insects. I cut off the dry leaves. I cut off the dry leaves. I rearrange the flower pots. I rearrange the flower pots. I support the young plants with sticks. I support the young plants with sticks. I smell the fresh flowers. I smell the fresh flowers. I collect fallen leaves from the ground. I collect fallen leaves from the ground. I pick ripe fruits from the tree. I pick ripe fruits from the tree. I tie the vines to a garden frame. I tie the vines to a garden frame. I remove the weeds from the flower bed. I remove the weeds from the flower bed. I add compost to improve the soil. I add compost to improve the soil. I remove dead flowers from the plants. I remove dead flowers from the plants. I pour water near the roots. I pour water near the roots. I spray natural pest control on the leaves. I spray natural pest control on the leaves. I notice a new flower blooming. I notice a new flower blooming. I enjoy the peaceful sound of birds. I enjoy the peaceful sound of birds. I clean the muddy gardening tools. I clean the muddy gardening tools. I wash my hands after gardening. I wash my hands after gardening. I put the tools back in the shed. I put the tools back in the shed.